Do you have a research paper coming up and need a refresher on APA citation? Do you need help with managing your time, or are group projects just driving you nuts? Here at Student Learning Services, we offer 30 to 60-minute learning skill workshops, or LSWs, to students to assist them with these topics and more. Learn tips and tricks on topics like memory and concentration, presentation skills, Microsoft Excel, and even money management to help you succeed both in and out of the classroom. Here's how you can book your LSW in just a few quick steps. Step 1. In your browser, type in humber.upswing.io. Step 2. Click the Log In Now button and enter your Humber N number and password. Guelph Humber students will need to use their Humber credentials. Now that you're in, let's schedule your session. Step 3. Click on the Meet with a Tutor option on the homepage. Step 4. In the search bar, type LSW. All our available LSWs will appear in the drop-down menu. Select your desired workshop. Step 5. Next, choose your tutor and view their availability. Please take note of if the time slot is in person or online. Once you've found a time slot that works for you, click on Select a Time. Step 6. In the pop-up window, you can select your subject, review your session details, and upload any files you'd like your tutor to review beforehand. Step 7. Click the Schedule button once you're happy with your session details. Step 8. Your session has now been scheduled. Once your tutor accepts your request, you will receive a confirmation email. And that's all it takes. Whether your appointment is in person or online, please remember to be on time and bring relevant materials and questions to ensure your LSW is a success. Also, please make sure to double-check that your requested appointment has been accepted by the tutor. We look forward to supporting you on your academic journey.